Hey guys, it's me again, Rio. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this look. This is my Valentine's makeup look in collaboration with my YouTube friends. I will be linking their channels below. Please do check them out. So without further ado, let's go! Yung HD Wine Concealer, mas okay siya pagka hindi nyo muna siya agad i-blend. Kaya nyo muna siyang mag-set ng konti. Saka nyo i-blend. Using Michido loose powder. Ano na espasol. Perfect! Ganyan na. Magpo-contour ako using this Wet n Wild contour palette in Dulce de Leche. I'll be using this brush. Saan yung usual? Kung nasan yung pinaka-edge no pinupon. Using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Gamitin natin itong Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade Satin Love. Wet n Wild highlighter, which is the Petal Pusher. Precious Petal pala. I will just try to do smoky eye using my Morphe 39A palette. Using the shade Sunder. Sa mga with eye, kung yung mata nyo halos wala ng lid space pag bumukas, pag binulat nyo yung mata nyo ganyan, put your shadows a little bit higher dun sa pinaka-fold para makita. So, to do that, bukas nyo yung mata nyo ganyan, saka nyo siya ilagay. Tapos, pag-aan nyo na lang, tingin kayo sa baba para hindi naman masyadong, para hindi naman mahirap gawin. Always tap your brush. Pag nag-dip kayo sa shadows, itap nyo siya palagi. Kasi mahirap i-blend pag sobrang dami. Para madali siyang ma-blend. As you can see here, ito yung fold ko. So, sa taas na ako mag-transition. Use the shade Evolve. Kung yung transition nasa itaas nung fold nyo, itong next color, nilalagay ko siya dun sa pinaka-fold ko mismo. So, I'm going to be using Deep U sa same pencil brush. And try ko siyang ilagay dun sa pinaka-lid ko. What's nice about this paddle brush, you can use the other side for putting color and then you can use the other side for blending. Kasi tapered siya, madali siyang maipang-blend. I'm using exposed. Same pencil brush, pero this time, Sa outer corner lang.
I didn't know what it meant to be alone. I didn't know till the day you were gone.
So for my lower lash, gagamitin ko lang yung sander in a pencil brush.
But now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to what I
Use Deep U, just a tiny cup, tapos yung sa outer lang.
know. The time don't wait for
I'll just do my eyebrows first. Then we can finish our eyes later.
now. I tell you you're the one, 'cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Know that you can't be here by my side.
I'll just be using my Modern Renaissance Tempera.
So I won't let your memory come to an end.
Then, as usual, Primavera.
That's just what
I'll just put mascara and eyelashes in diba? For the lips, I will line my lips with this Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner, A Girl's Dream.
now in my mind I'm imagining your face and all the little silly things you used to say. This is
And then, I will be putting a brown eyeliner dun sa outer edge.
in front of people, it's a fake, 'cause deep inside I'm crying for my
So, and then we'll be using this Essence lipstick. It's the Matte 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 number 6.
know. The time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want.
So, this is the final look. Ito na yung kinalabasan ng ating Valentine makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to watch my YouTube friends. I will be linking their channels below. And say hi from me. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next one.